let's say.
I just spent some money on my necklace, my wrist, my bitch, houses, too sick, got me wanting all the smoke, too rich, flexing my portfolio, wow, money going whoa, 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 wow, money going whoa, 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 wow, bitch I get it on my whole slow, wow, end up spinning it on my folks though, chop out of the roof doing donuts, I just got my tax bill about to go nuts, I got rest pull up on me then it's go nuts, show my pops and it almost made her throw up, show my pops cause he just survived pneumonia, down bad how he even caught corona, liver failure almost put him in a coma, least I could do is take him to the beach in Florida. I just spent some money on my I just spent some money on my ay. Spent about $1 million on the fan, people stealing when they can. 10K a week of cash for the drugs. That's why I don't do friends, shake hands with the man, but my eyes when they say it's about the love. Walked in the chase, should've seen my face when the banker said how many mortgages you paid. Back then was none. Somehow my funds was paying for everything on this side of the lake. I felt betrayed, man. Money, money, money. Man, they do something funny. Man, people try to warn me. Man, you way too nice and way too trusting. Man, and now I'm fucked up. Gripping the line, I'm deep in the drugs, drowning my trauma. Cursing my mama, cursing my father, all of our commas. Leaving the nest, got with an ex, spiraling downwards. Getting abused, getting more used, getting devoured. Losing my mind, losing what's mine, losing my